Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a thermal stitch, and this is the right side and this is the wrong side, but you can see both sides are pretty similar, so you can use both sides. Start with any number of chains, so slip knot and chain. Work one single crochet into each of the chains starting from the second one. So skip the first chain, go into the second one and work one single crochet into each. I'm going to turn the chains and work into the back loop of the chains, so this back rib. So from the second one, insert into the back rib and do one single crochet into each. Chain 1, turn your work, using the back loop, do one single crochet into each. So this is the back loop. Chain 1 doesn't count, so go into the next and start your single crochet. And the last one. Now you can see these are the loops that you didn't work in. So this is the front loop, and now for the next round I'm going to work into the back loop of the stitch and this loop that you can see. These are the one that I didn't work in. So now chain 1, turn your work and go insert into the back loop of the stitch, ignore the chain 1, and also go down below and insert the hook into the loop that you skipped, so this, and oops, grab the yarn, single crochet. So use these two loops to work your single crochet. Now the next one, like this. And the last one. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work again, and the loops that I didn't work of the last round, I'm going to use now this one and the back loop of the stitch. So chain 1 doesn't count, go into the next, use the back loop and go into the front loop, the one that you skipped of last round, and continue doing single crochet. So this is the repeat round. You need to just repeat this round again and again. And the last one. Now chain 1, turn your work and repeat. And to finish, just chain 1, cut the yarn, and pull. So that's done. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.